Alors un autre chantier qui roule bien, c'est celui des Cars Route 66 Road Trip, une attraction réimaginée.
Ouais, tout à fait, Jonas. C'est une expérience familiale qui vous attend sur la célèbre route 66 et qui s'inspire de la franchise à succès de Disney Pixar, Cars.
Et comme nous savons que vous rêvez d'en savoir plus, nous avons réuni pour vous les toutes premières images des installations et nous sommes allés à la rencontre des équipes sur le chantier.
Bouclez votre ceinture, c'est parti!
Hi, I'm Tom Fitzgerald from Walt Disney Imagineering, and today I'm excited to unveil a little bit about our rethemed tram attraction at the Walt Disney Studios at Disneyland Paris. We know that our guests love the Cars movies, the Cars characters, and now when you reboard the tram, you'll be traveling along Route 66 to see some of the wacky roadside attractions that have made the Mother Road so famous. And you'll be doing it with some of your favorite Cars characters. We've been working very closely with our colleagues at Pixar, as well as some of the artisans that are nearby Disneyland Paris or just a stone's throw away to transform the tram experience. And of course, Catastrophe Canyon, which is one of the highlights of the tram tour, is going to be rethemed to find itself in the world of Cars. This is all part of the transformation of the Walt Disney Studios, and we're excited to have you step on board the tram and travel down Route 66 next year.